Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you guys do remember, or if I've even told you guys, I traded the Minecraft Chicken God Diamond V2 Trainer Rec Blade for a Swordfish. And today I got a notification on my phone that it is available for pickup. So that's what I did. And here it is. The Squid Industries Swordfish. Fully aluminum, pinsless, really interesting design, sandwich. So I flipped this thing a lot today, but still felt like I could give my first impressions and just kind of talk about how I feel about this, what my opinions are on it, and yeah, just how it feels to me. So I got this thing disassembled just in case, since this trainer doesn't have any holes on it. So I just told the dude to send it disassembled just in case. So when I first assembled it, I put on some lube and stuff like that. And when I flipped it, I don't know, it felt weird. But the first thing I noticed, this thing feels handle biased. Like, you can definitely feel it in the fans. Right now I don't have any weight pins in, since, yeah, that's just what I prefer. And yet it is still a little more on the handle bias side. I've definitely gotten used to it during the day, but I don't know. It feels like a kind of love and hate situation. Since it feels weird. I don't know if this is something for every other Swordfish owner, but it feels like this part of the handle is thicker than this part of the handle. And that just makes it feel really weird. And chokers are really hard to execute since there's nothing here. Just completely smooth aluminum. So it was really hard at first, since I was not used to like the completely smooth aluminum feeling. So at first I couldn't even do chokers on this thing. But generally it's not bad. It is heavier than I thought, considering it's fully aluminum. I thought it would be lighter, so, but it does carry some weight, that's for sure. And I've been used to like flipping the Abyss, the new era Abyss. I've been so used to flipping this thing, which is decently heavy. But man, this thing feels like it fans like it's a neutral knife now. Oh, that's so weird. So I don't get like what's the deal with that, but there's something about the Swordfish that just feels off, I guess. One thing I noticed when I first flipped it was rollovers feel really good. They stick really nicely. Chaplains can feel a little weird. They might feel a little unstable at times. Fans are okay if you're able to get enough grip. Tricks like chatters, they I don't know, they feel kind of off. I'm not sure what it is. I can't really put my finger on it. But yeah, there's not a lot of grip here. Obviously there's this thing, the pattern that they chose, but only on top of here. Down here there's nothing. Over here there's a decently amount of grip. Speed channel, I guess I could call it speed channel. And the negative jimping, is that what it's called? I think so. Negative jimping never really does the job as well as positive jimping. If you do not understand what I mean, I would call this for positive jimping, considering like it's sticking out of the handle instead of going inside the handle. So you can like see the jimping kind of sticks out right there. But yeah, that's generally just how it flips. How it feels in hand, it feels... I'm not sure how to explain it. It feels like the blade has a lot of weight, yet it's still handle biased. I don't know how to explain that, but I can like feel that the blade is heavy, yet the balance is a lot more on the handle bias side. The handles feel thin, like pretty thin, but at the same time they don't. I thought like the Abyss handles were thin, but the Swordfish is almost close to the Tsunami-like thickness of the handles. I don't know if that really sort of describes how it feels, but it looks a lot thinner on camera, but and they don't feel that thin, but at the same time they do. Up here they feel thicker than down here. I don't know if that's just me, but yeah. But yeah, that was pretty much just how it felt and how it flips. Let's talk a little bit about the sound of it. So this thing got a decent tune, I guess. Got some wiggle on there. Yeah, some play. But it sounds really good for being fully aluminum and pinceless. Never thought a Swordfish could sound like this. Yeah, so generally it is a good balisong. It's just a really unique one. Getting used to it, it is kind of growing on me, so but I guess I'll make an update on this one as well as the Abyss. So yeah, that was my first impressions on the Squid Industries Swordfish. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see ya.